What's up, everyone? Today I'll be demoing my second custom sound font. This one is called Aggression. It's optimized for Crystal Focus version 8 and Plector Lab boards. The Saber I'll be demoing it on will be a Vader's Vault Ardent. So without further ado, let's see how it sounds. Aggression. So this was a lot of fun to make. How I got the hum is kind of funny. There's this, at work, there's this electrical resistor, and I was feeling inspired, watching some of the videos on how the Star Wars sounds were made. So I heard this sound and I'm like, that sounds terrible. I wonder what it would sound like pitched down. So this electrical resistor made this really high buzzing sound, and I recorded it, brought it home, tuned it down like 5-6 octaves maybe, and that's the sound that I basically got. I added a little bit of tremolo in there, and I think it sounds pretty cool. I hope the rest of you all like it. Thanks.